It's never meant to be comfortable. It is meant to stretch you to your highest point of your ability to excel and succeed. The God-like image in us does not wish for us to remain stagnant or still or comfortable. It wishes for us to come up to a higher form of our being, so that we can have the true expression of what life is, so that we may have the true meaning of what greatness is. We can see, you deserve to see it at least once in your life before you leave this earth. So yes, it's not going to be pretty. Pressure does not feel good. But you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You just got to be willing to push through. It's like levels after levels. You have to push through those levels. Push, push, push. And once you're there, and you stay there because you know what it took to get there, regardless of what you see around you. Don't worry about what you see around you. What you see around you does not reflect, nor should it define who you are. You have to push your own level. But it's not going to happen until you break through it. It's not going to happen by itself. Just because you see where you're supposed to be does not mean that you're going to get there just because you see it. Just because you see the 10th or the 11th floor and you're on the ground floor doesn't mean you're just going to automatically get there. You have to take those steps. You can do that. But you have to push. That's what it's about. Not being afraid to push. Taking that first step. Every day is not going to be about someone's feelings, whether you feel like you should or you should not take it. Because they're never going to align up. Some days they are not. What you should do and how you feel about what you should do are not going to come together. You have to be the person to make that decision regardless. If no one else is around you that's ready to walk with you, you have to walk regardless. If nobody else sees your vision, you have to pursue it regardless. Because that's your calling, that's your vision, that's your success, that is your destiny, not theirs. And the only way someone else is going to see your vision is if they see you walking in it. Not talking about it, walking in it. And every time you take a step, it is not going to be pretty. So be ready. Be ready to push. You can do it. I'm Mar Butler. Until next time, keep fighting. Take care.